What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out some coins that I'm looking at in July, as well as Bitcoin, because it's doing something very exciting. Not only is this coin consolidating massively at the moment around this $30,000 region, and it's not done that for such a long time. If you look at the monthly time frame, almost 3 weeks consolidating between a very tight range between $30,000 and 31.5k. There is actually a threat here that we might lose support, but the Bitcoin halving is getting closer and closer. April 16, 2024 is the ETA of the halving, and this seriously excites me, as usually it's the new inception of a bull run. It catalyzes bullish sentiment in the market, and it makes things so much more exciting for Bitcoin holders. And here is a way you can visualize what the halving does. Basically, it just halves the mining rewards for the miners out there. For every single block that is mined, a block reward diminishes. So we can see it goes from 6.25 that we're currently seeing to 3.125, which is going to make it harder to inject more supply of Bitcoin into the circulation. It's going to make it harder to acquire more Bitcoins, making them rarer, more difficult to receive. And in all, I think this is going to be good for the positive price pressure. And remember, millions of Bitcoin, or at least hundreds of thousands, I don't know what the exact number is, are just forever lost. They could be on a laptop hard drive that's been buried under the ground and never acquirable or retrievable once again. So we're seeing some good stuff occur for Bitcoin, and you can probably imagine that is number one on this list. So my top 5 for July 2023, Bitcoin will be here. Of course, we're going to look at coins that could also impose sort of high risk, high reward opportunities. So remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. I would not want you to receive irrevocable losses at all. And do remember, never risk more than you can afford to lose. So Bitcoin is number one because for me, I just see it as the future. When it's 2050 and Bitcoin could potentially be worth over $1 million, you know, I'm going to look back at this video and think, what a great choice I made. So I don't care if I buy Bitcoin at 30k, 20k, 40k, 50k, 10k, 5k. I believe it will be much higher than the current prices we are seeing one day. So it doesn't really matter about pinpointing the bottoms, although I do think this 17k region was the true bottom because of like the whole Terra Luna crash, the FTX crisis, and you blend these black swan events together, which are like anomalous events in the crypto markets that you just can't time. You don't know they're going to happen unless you plan them yourself. Yeah, I don't know, unless we see like something crazy like COVID happen again, which of course we don't want to see. But these are the sort of events that really have a macroeconomical sort of deleterious effect. If you're new to the channel, guys, subscribe. We're doing a $2,500 giveaway, which I'd love you to participate in because it's quite a lot of money and I haven't got many retweets, so I'd like to get a few more. Do check out the giveaway down below. Subscribe, like, comment on this video, and yeah, let's have a little look at what's going on because things are getting pretty exciting. Coin number 2 will be the Thug Life token. The reason why I think this gets ranked 2 right now is because it's pretty time sensitive. There's only 7 days left for this particular pre-sale. I've got a link down below for this token, guys. They've raised $792,000, a $2 million hard cap, and what's good is they're going to have a liquidity pool locked for 3 months already with $200,000 worth of Ethereum in the LP locked. So it says here, Thug Life token, the ball is a meme coin, get gangster in this market and pimp out your money game. When you Google Thug Life, it actually comes back as a definition as someone that started from scratch with absolutely nothing and made them way to the top all by themselves. So kind of has that sort of freedom, sort of sentiment and branding attached to it, the main message behind it. Tokenomics, 4.2 billion coins on the ERC20 network, 70% sold in the pre-sale, 3-month liquidity lock with a nice long-term roadmap as well. So there's coin number 2 for July, just because this coin will go live in July. We don't know what's going to happen, so of course it's not financial advice, but I am taking a shot with this particular coin as I think it could potentially do well blending into the meme coin markets that we're seeing at the moment. They have got a nice white paper that you can check out in your spare time, do a bit of research and due diligence. Here is their Twitter page of 3.6k followers at the moment, and they are organically getting more and more hype and traction for this coin. So $500,000 boys, let's go. They were pretty excited about it. They've got tons of engagements. know lots of people are keen to see this coin do really well. The next coin will be Polkadot, and Polkadot, I think, is a developer's paradise. They're reeling in a lot of developers at the moment. Just $5 right now, which seems really undervalued for me. Rank 13 with a 6.6 billion fully diluted market capital and a 6.1 billion valuation. We can see, looking historically, we can see this coin was $50+ in the peak of the bull run in the altcoin market in 2021, and seeing at just $5 today. Even the market capital, just comparing 52.6 billion to the very small 6 billion that we are in at the moment, makes me think this coin will see another run at some point in the future. Of course, I can't tell the future, but I am very bullish on what I see here. So even during the bear market, they are focusing on forming a league, an army of developers. They want more developers within the community. They are looking to source and acquire talent out there as well. Maybe that could be used, so do check it out, do a bit of research on the coin. Polkadot is one of my favorites, the blockchain ecosystem for boundless innovation, as we can see right here. So find out a bit more about this token in your spare time. It's always good to do your own research on any coins out there in the crypto markets. But yeah, Polkadot is definitely looking good, and as you can see, people are getting pretty excited. They've got some big sort of Polkadot movements out there, and that is the screenshot or a picture here from the Polkadot Blockchain Academy. And I think it's so cool to see these Web3 innovators out there doing their thing, spreading the message and getting the word out there, to see some real professionals out there doing some good things to really secure the future for blockchain. And I think that's important to see these utility-based coins. Coin number 4, guys, is going to be the Wall Street memes token. This is one that I've also bought into. So you could say that I'm kind of like pumping my own bags here, but this is everywhere. You Google Wall Street memes, you're going to see it in articles. You type it into YouTube, you're going to see many influencers covering it as well. $13.7 million raised for this meme coin pre-sale. It's on the ERC20 network, but you can actually also buy it with BNB as well if you want to avoid those big frightening gas fees. It says here, pump it. We mean business, 1 million plus community. I've got massive impressions as well, which is pretty cool. Even Elon loves our meme. So yeah, Elon Musk did actually reply to a tweet. I keep showing you this, I know, over and over, but the Federal Reserves right now is what they tweeted. So Wall Street memes are like, the Federal Reserves right now, after all, why not? Why shouldn't we print more money? And then literally, he said literally, Elon Musk just replied on the back of that. So it's pretty crazy to see Elon Musk actually respond to this particular pre-sale. WSM token. Here is the branding, how to buy. Just connect your MetaMask wallet, transfer either Ethereum or BNB into the coin, and they do have a nice long-term looking roadmap as well, which I think is important for any cryptocurrency project, whether it's utility based, whether it's actually like financial based, or just a pure up straight up shitcoin. I think we all need to know the sort of the vision that the token and the developers have to get the coin moving in the future. So pretty bullish on this one here. 251,000 followers on their Twitter page, which is absolutely insane, and they are constantly posting some memes and stuff. Just really try to get more fresh eyes onto the project itself. So remember, this is not financial advice, but I do have a link down below. You can check it out, guys. Do your own research, check out the white paper, but don't risk more than you can afford to lose, because that is, the worst thing we can do. We don't know what's going to happen. Not all coins pump. Some do, unfortunately, flat way trade sideways. But it says here, crypto potato. Wall Street memes raises 13 million in pre-sale. Traders think it could be the next Pepe coin. Whilst I think the community could be like the next Pepe coin, I don't know if it would do the same thing in terms of price reflection, just because this is a pre-sale that will have a large market capital at launch, which does mean 100x probably isn't going to happen when you're looking at a 20 million plus market capital. Pepe launched very small, therefore 1000x was possible at that particular entity, just like other stealth launch coins straight to dexes as well. But you do get the fact that there could be a massive community with the Wall Street memes. Coin number 5 is Avalanche, guys. Avalanche is getting pretty exciting at the moment, and yes, whilst the price does not reflect that, the on-chain data does. Avalanche network notches 3rd consecutive month of the all-time high monthly users. June marked the Avalanche network's 3rd consecutive month with all-time high for monthly active users, as well as a 2nd straight month with more than 1 million MAUs. So you can see here, looking at this chart, things are looking pretty good for the future of Avalanche. The last 3 months, the users have just been going up and up and up, which is really nice to see. So come bull market time, I think For Avalanche, we could see some great stuff happen, trading at $13 with all-time highs before at $134. I feel like this could be in an undervaluation phase as well. So 30 billion market capital before, 4 billion today. That's a 9x to repossess the previous all-time high right there. And I think, you know, in these sort of crypto winters where we're in these sort of undervaluation phases, this is just the accumulation phase. We've got to wait for the pump. We've got to wait for that mega pump as well. So you've got to be patient. Avalanche, new branding here on the website. Create without limits. Build anything you want, anywhere you want on the lightning fast, scalable blockchain that won't let you down. So these infrastructure tokens really excite me as well. But you can see Avalanche are doing pretty good. Even on their Twitter right now, they're pretty much sailing away to nearly 1 million followers. So they're growing more. They're building in the bear market, and these are all green flags in my honest opinion. So fingers crossed we'll see some more juicy gains from the Avalanche ecosystem. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you also check out Jacob's Crypto Clan. This is my Discord down below, where we've got loads of juicy trading signals. As you can see, some people are making some pretty big gains here in the crypto markets, following some of our technical analysis guys. We've got loads of different TA guys that can help you, signals, entries, stop losses. We've got pre-sales. We've got also really early announcements like coins like, you know, wrapped XRP, getting people in really early. We had SafeMoon 3.0. So if you like all this sort of stuff, you need a bit of hand-holding and guidance in the crypto markets. If you're a very busy person, check out the Patreon link down below, as well as the Discord to Jacob's Crypto Clan. And while you're at it, check out the Wall Street Memes token right here, the pre-sale, as well as the FUG Live token if you want to explore these high-risk, high-reward projects. But yeah, there's a bit of a wrap-up, a bit of a weekly roundup. Some of my favorite coins I'm putting money into for July, just because of these things that have come to my mind. But Bitcoin is threatening to lose $30,000 at the moment. It could happen, but it doesn't make it a bad choice in my opinion at all. We just need to see a cool down in the markets, a bit of a correction, back to neutral sentiment, away from the greed, and then we can really get a nice true reflection of the value in the markets. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you soon, guys. Subscribe, like, comment if you're new here.